everyone, my name is Paige with Sudsy Soapworks, and today I'm going to show you how I edit all of my product photos. But first, if you haven't entered our giveaway, click this link right here and go enter our giveaway and then come right back to this video. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I edit all of my photos using Snapseed. So Snapseed is right here. This is, I think, the easiest app to use. You can use Adobe Lightroom, but I prefer to use Snapseed because it's so much faster for me. So I'm just going to pull up one of the iPhone pictures that I took. So I go to Tune Image and I up the brightness to what I like it at. And the contrast, highlights, and I always add a tiny bit of warmth. Bump up the saturation a little bit because I want to brighten it up some more. And I always make sure that my brightness on my phone or iPad, whatever I'm editing on, is up all the way so I can get accurate lighting. Alright, so after I do that, I go to selective if I need it, and I add brightness to like the back. Sometimes up here, just in any spots that you want brightness. You can really add it anywhere. I'll just do that. And then here's the before and after. But you can play around with it. A nice thing too that I really like about this is the healing. So like if there's something in your photo that you don't want, or like say you got out of frame for a little bit, you can just take the healing and it works so well. You gotta be careful when you get closer to like other products because it can do this, but yeah, it works really well for healing. So one thing I really do like about this program is like after I'm done editing, I save and I modify the photo. You can save as a copy, and then when you choose another photo, so I'll do this one, you can do the last edits all from that session that have all the same lighting and everything, and it gives you the same thing. So usually that's what I do when I take photos all from the same session. Then they're all like the same edits. I don't know if you can do that in Lightroom. I don't use Lightroom. I use Snapseed because it's so much easier for me. So I'm going to show you one of the pictures that I took using my camera. So I took this photo using my camera, and I'll just show you how I edit this. So I play with the settings again. And I'm not a professional editor either, so I just kind of slide it until I get to a spot that I like. I always add a little bit of warmth just because that's my branding. I like the warmth of the photos. There we go, so I like that, and I'm just going to go back in with the selective because I do want the background just a tad bit brighter. I don't want to brighten the whole photo and make it like hazy or anything. Do the label a little bit more, not too much. There, so there's the before and after. I think it looks way better. So I'm going to save that, modify, and then here's the flat lays. So this was all taken from the same session, so I can't remember if I edited this one or not, but I'm going to go to last edits and see how it looks. So that's how I edit. And you can play around with these settings. These are really the only things I use, is the selective, the tune image, and the healing. I don't really use anything else unless I need to crop or rotate the photo. I used to use the brush a lot, and I learned my lesson with that. You can brush away like all that, but then it saves it for the next photo, and then you'll have brush marks everywhere. So I stopped using that a long time ago. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I try to answer all of your questions. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time we upload a video. We are going to be uploading every Saturday. And again, if you haven't entered our giveaway, click this link and go enter our giveaway because we do a drawing next week on April 23rd is when it ends. So So again, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.